Hi, and welcome to Stamping with Linda, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is my 18th and What's Up with Stampin' Up! As I showcase the new in colors and especially the butterfly bundle that is on sale only till September 30th, so you need to hurry up and order that. It comes with the stamp set and the itty bitty butterfly punch. I'm also going to be using today the elegant butterfly punch. This is a great accessory with that, and a stamp from the Lots of Thanks stamp set. So let's get started. What I have done is taken my crisp cantaloupe. This measures 5 1/4 by 4, and I've already adhered a piece of Whisper White and the Designer Series paper, and I'm going to punch out 3 of the elegant butterflies. You'll notice the oomph because I'm going through 3 layers, a Designer Series paper, Whisper White, and the crisp cantaloupe. So I've got my butterflies like so. They are adhered to that white piece of cardstock and the crisp cantaloupe, so I'm going to pull them apart. You can use these other butterflies inside your card. If you're hand delivering your card, you can actually decorate the envelope with them. But why I punched them out this way, remember a week or so ago I showed you the fish line technique, and I'm going to use that with the bitty butterfly. So I'm just going to feed that back in like so and punch out, and hopefully I am going to get a silhouette of the butterfly with a smaller one. So that's kind of a fun thing. Going to do that with my other 2 bigger butterflies. There we have it. My 3 butterflies punched out. Already have a piece of 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 Whisper White. Going to go in with my crisp cantaloupe. Again, this is a new in color ink that thank you stamp, like so. Mount that to the front of my card. And I'm going to go in with that silhouette butterfly. Going to get a glue dot and place that on the front of my card like so. Even though it punched not perfect, it still gives you a nice little silhouette of that butterfly. I'm going to add another little glue dot to this bottom edge like so. I'm going to go in with those smaller butterflies that I punched out with the fish line and just put them on the inside of the larger elegant butterfly. So even though this is a monochromatic card, it's just really fun interaction with those butterflies, those 2 punches. Remember that the bundle is only on sale till the end of September 2013 to get a 15% discount. Isn't that fun card? Thanks for joining me. Talk to you real soon.